You know, there's something about onions that we often overlook. They're just these humble little bulbs sitting in our kitchens. But let me tell you, they pack a punch. Eating raw onions every day might sound a bit out there, but trust me, the benefits are worth considering. So, let's dive into this together, shall we? First off, let's talk about flavor. Raw onions add a zesty kick to any dish. Whether you're tossing them in a salad, layering them on a sandwich, or just munching on them as a snack, they bring this vibrant crunch that can elevate your meals. I mean, who doesn't love a good crunch? That's the beauty of raw onions. They're versatile. You can mix them into salsas, add them to tacos, or even throw them on top of a burger. They're like the unsung heroes of the culinary world. Now, it's not just about flavor. The health benefits of eating raw onions are pretty impressive. For starters, they're loaded with vitamins and minerals. Onions are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is crucial for our immune system. I don't know about you, but I could use all the immune support I can get, especially during flu season. Plus, they contain vitamin B6 and folate, both of which are essential for energy production and brain health. So, if you're looking to boost your energy levels and keep your mind sharp, raw onions might just be your new best friend. Let's not forget about their antioxidant properties. Onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress in our bodies. This means that by adding raw onions to your diet, you're not just enhancing your meals, but you're also giving your body a fighting chance against various diseases. It's like a little shield of protection, and who wouldn't want that? And if you're concerned about heart health, raw onions have got your back. They can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The sulfur compounds found in onions are known to improve circulation and reduce blood pressure. So if you're looking to keep your heart happy and healthy, consider adding some raw onions to your daily routine. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. Now, I know what you might be thinking. But aren't raw onions strong and pungent? Sure, they can be a bit intense, especially if you're not used to them. But here's a little tip. If you soak them in cold water for about 10 minutes before eating, it can help mellow out that sharp flavor. You'll still get all the health benefits without feeling like you just bit into a firecracker. And let's talk about digestion for a second. Raw onions are a great source of fiber, which is essential for keeping our digestive system running smoothly. They can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. Plus, they contain prebiotics that feed the good bacteria in our intestines. So, if you want to keep things moving along down there, raw onions are a fantastic addition to your diet. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room, the breath. Yes, raw onions can leave you with some potent breath. But hey, it's a small price to pay for all those health benefits, right? Just keep some minty gum or breath fresheners handy and you'll be good to go. So to wrap it all up, eating raw onions every day can be a game changer for your health. From boosting your immune system and heart health to improving digestion and adding flavor to your meals, they're truly a powerhouse of nutrition. So, why not give it a shot? Start small, add a few slices to your salad or sandwich, and see how you feel. Your body will thank you.